from other countries meeting with the office of the Vice President instead of the President's lately? Looks like they trust Sara Duterte more than the one actually in charge. Can't blame them. Sara Duterte's become the Filipino superhero. Her office does more for the people than anyone else. She's the most active in helping out, even offering cash assistance for medical needs and more. Whatever the crisis, she's already ahead of the game. It might not make the news, but social media's got all the receipts. I'm telling you, younger generation, open your eyes and see who's really stepping up for the Filipino people. They're hiding it in the media, but Sara's out here doing a solid job as Vice President, better than those before her. She's even the only Vice President with satellite offices nationwide, making sure help reaches people faster. And now, those in power are doing everything they can to bring her down. It's time we speak up and stand together to protect the one who truly cares for the Philippines.